welcome back if you are not new here, and welcome to your new year. My name is Wildine, and today we're actually doing a maintenance vlog, or come to my appointments with me vlog is what they call it. The girls, that's what they call it. As you can see, I have my hair out. I just blow dried it. It's nothing special. I am actually on my way to go and get my braids done. As you know, you probably saw me in the last videos with braids. Those were looking crusty and old. I had to get them out, and I'm actually doing new braids today, so I'm on my way there. But first on the agenda, I need to go and do a PCR test, which is literally right across from my building. I'll show you actually in a second. But good news, remember last week when I went to that audition, I actually got the job. Boop, boop, boop. Anyway, so right now I need to go get a PCR test because you cannot enter Qatar, which is a 2-hour flight away, without a PCR test, even though you're fully vaccinated. I literally have 4 doses, so I'm fully vaccinated. But you still need to have a PCR. So let's go. Let's do the PCR, go and get some money from the ATM, get a coffee, and then go get my hair done. And I think they also have nails at these places. Well, at that place, and the lady said it's quite cheap, and I just want a gelish, just to protect my nails because they're looking quite healthy now. So that's on the agenda today, and then I want to hit the gym. Hopefully I'm not going to be too tired because I'm going to be sitting in that chair for too long. But anyway, let's do that. And then what do I want to do more maintenance wise? I wanted to go get a lash lift, but I'm gonna see at this salon also across from me, maybe tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, let's go get this PCR test and let's knock this out because I want to be done hopefully by 3, and right now it's 8:50. So whew, okay, let's go. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Thank you.
I just want to do a PCR test.
Before here?
Yes, I was.
Please tell me your number.
052774.
Please wait.
Okay.
You pay the car?
Yes, please. You guys know I was working at the expo. We had to take a PCR every single day for 6 months, so I'm an expert. Oh, child.
Can I help you?
Mm-hmm.
Second.
Thank you so much.
Have a
Woo,
good day.
you too. Woo! If eyes were tearing. Child! They normally do one nostril, but she was really brave. Whoop, 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 whoop. She was really brave in doing 2. Okay, Alfa Romeo. Okay, let's go get coffee. Hi, how are you? Please can I have a large iced coffee, please, with milk, this please.
You want any flavor?
I'm sorry?
You want any flavor for that?
You can just do like 3 sugarcane pumps. Thank you. Okay, coffee secured. They put too much milk. It's looking very white. Like, look at the difference between my skin tone and this. It's how white it looks. Anyway, drew money. Okay, so, first impressions. I as I said, 3 pumps of sugarcane. So, I don't like it too sweet, but let's see. Oh, it's too sweet. If you know me, you know I don't do sweet, especially not in my coffees. Oh, I'm gonna have to do. Anyway, let's go to this appointment. Guys, I just got into this area. It's basically 40 minutes away from me, but just look at this. It's like a different world. Guys, I'm done with my hair. Actually, I'm in love with it, but it emphasizes my 5 head. Also, my nails are done. I chose like this gray. Can you even see it on the thing? Like, it's like a gray. It goes nicely with the color of my skin. Oh, ciao. And the gag is I have to go take another PCR because I took my PCR too early. It's supposed to be like 48 hours exactly. And I took mine at 8:55, and our flight on Sunday is 8:55. Can you believe it? So now I have to go to another place. I'm gonna go to another place that's cheaper. Good thing they're gonna reimburse us, so I'm not worried about that. Anyway, let me go home because I really need to pee. And then we'll talk. Guys, I'm at the gym now. I was supposed to go home, but my class is at 5:30, and I cannot be going home still. And now I'm waiting for parking, and it's 5 o'clock. People should be leaving. It's Friday. Taking this off and putting on a black t-shirt because I cannot wear a khaki shirt. I will swear it through it. I'm just hoping somebody comes here. I still have time, but I need to go and set up. Oh, ciao. Anyway, how do you guys like my braids? I love it. I did say I don't want too much braids, but it's manageable. If I can hold it like this, it's manageable. It's nice and long, and I had it, so I'm happy. And my nails are pretty good. You guys cannot see it with the black. You can see it with the black. It's so cute. But tomorrow definitely I need to also put in petrol in my car while I'm still good for probably a day and a half, but I need to go put petrol in the car. Maybe we can do that after the gym. I think that should be good. And then tomorrow I'm trying to get a lash lift, so that would be the last appointment. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not like spectacular. I'm not doing acrylics, so it's not like I'm not installing a wig, but at least I'm giving you content, you know what I'm saying? So I'm happy about that. I'm excited. I'm really gonna be on my grind. No more games to be played. I just hope somebody comes out. Anyway, I'll catch you guys, maybe give you a sneak peek of, you guys know it's the strength class that I do, so you don't need to see that, but I'm gonna show you guys how I'm dead after. So see you when we go put in petrol. Look at this convenience of a petrol station. Well, it's a mobile petrol station in my area. How convenient is this? Actually, I'm gonna go this way because this man, look how nice this is, right in my area. And I don't know where you are in the world, but they put our petrol in for us. I mean, in South Africa as well, but I know a lot of the part of the world, they do their own petrol. Or is it just the US? I actually don't know. But we convenient out here with this petrol. Look how my skin be looking clear. But the marks, though, I had to cover them up. Wow. Yeah? Okay, thank you. And just like that. Period. Let's see how long you will last until you fall. Let's just see how long you last, because I've got you against my tissue. Oh, ciao. Whoa. That car. Whoa. You know what? These delivery guys are the death of us. Okay. See you guys. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, and I just left the gym, so I'm looking. Anyway, this is the true skin. You guys already know about this, but without this, my skin is giving. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go to, they say on the website it's a lash tint and an eyebrow tint. I didn't see any lash lift on the website, so I just booked the tints for my brows and my lashes. So this is the before. Okay, let's view this because I'm gonna be wearing a mask. This is the before, and then I'll come back to you guys in a minute to show you if there's even any difference or did I waste my money. Anyway, let's do this. Guys, I'm done with my appointment. My eyebrows is looking eyebrowy. It's really giving eyebrowy. I'm gonna definitely tame it a little bit here in the front. I don't know what I can do to make it less dark. But the shape she gave, it's shaping. It's not bad. My eyelashes though, I don't see a difference. Do you guys see a difference? Like this must just go. This must just go. Do you guys see a difference? Yo, but my eyes were literally tearing up. I've got the most sensitive eyes in the history of the world. So, if you know, you know. But yeah, on the website, they quite cheaters and fraudulently. On the website, it's at 70 dirhams. Tell me why I was paying now and they told me... Oh, tell me why they told me 110. Frauds. Ooh, child, Dubai. Y'all want to come to Dubai? See for yourself. Anyway, I'm gonna go home. I'm starving. And I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, I just took a shower. I don't know what it is about these braids, but it's getting like knotted. Like, I don't know why it's getting knotted. This has never happened to me ever before. You see? Why would it do that? I don't know. Anyway, so now you can see I kind of like washed away some of the brow because it was a little bit too dark for my liking. Now it's good because now I can just add on a brow gel. Actually, let me get a brow gel. Here we go. Let's see how it's gonna look with a brow gel, because all I want to do is just wear a brow gel, period, instead of having to, you know, put some product in my brows. Like, that is literally so perfect. So for the end of this vlog, I just wanted to get not cute, but just kind of like feel cute. So I'm gonna put on a cute little outfit for going basically nowhere major. Me and Augie are just gonna film a mukbang. I have to make spaghetti. We're gonna do a spaghetti because he's been craving spaghetti, and actually so have I. So I'm just gonna make spaghetti, and then we'll do a mukbang, and that's literally it. That's literally it. So I just wanted to feel a little put together. However, I'm not going anywhere. You know what I'm saying? This is literally my 5-minute 5-minute makeup. Woo. But I'm loving this braids, other than the fact that it's like tangling. Quick, fast. See, I can never fully cover these marks, but it is what it is. And then I just take a little bit of this Fenty. I think by the time you see this video, I would have already uploaded my updated clean girl makeup routine. Like makeup I do on a regular. I'm not doing too much makeup anymore. But that's like a nice 30-minute video for you guys if you want to watch it. Just like my updated products, stuff that's been working for me, stuff that might be working for you. Just like that. And then lastly, just a little lip oil. And then that's on, period. I put more on there, but I'm not gonna do that. And there we go. Okay, so now let me show you the outfit. It's nothing spectacular. There's just this green top with this granddad shorts, and that's literally it. That should be it for the glow up. I mean, my nails are cute. I can't see. Yeah, maybe there. My nails are cute, girl. You can see it. My hair is cute. So cute, other than the tangling. Tell me in the comments if you know why it's tangling. I'm very curious to know. It's just a little bit still sensitive. And okay, let me put on this outfit in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, there you have it. You can still see my spots, which is cool with me. It's just a little tie back, you can see it, and this like granddad jean shorts. I'm feeling cute, definitely in the mood for a drink, so I'll have a drink and just sit back and relax. I have to edit one other video, and then actually I have to pack for my trip to Qatar, which is tomorrow. Qatar. But anyway, thank you. If you did enjoy this maintenance video, obviously it was an extravaganza, then please give the video a like and subscribe if you are new here. You know you like my vibe. I like this situation where we feel like we're on a FaceTime call. That's truly my vibe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, and thank you again so much for watching. Okay, bye.